all the five senses that humans have, I'm going to talk to you today about the sense of taste. What is the sense of taste? The sense of taste is something that helps us determine a certain type of ice cream flavor, let's say, or a type of food. How do we use our sense of taste to our advantage? We use it as a way to test food that goes into our body, and that helps us survive pretty much. The organs that are involved in the sense of taste is the digestive system, which is the tongue, the throat, the stomach, both large and small intestines. The tongue is a muscle that is used to perceive the sense of taste. And it varies from person to person, the sensitivity between individuals, but taste buds are the cells that let us determine that ice cream flavor or that like meat versus chicken and things of that sort. The linguistical tonsils are found on the posterior of the tongue, and palatine tonsils are on the sides of the oral cavity. As you can see in the diagram I'm about to show you, it has the palatal that form the structures that we see on our tongues, which is color coded and put on this diagram. This diagram helps us perceive the tongue, like when we open our mouth and we see those different lines of structures. That's what these are. And you could see what I talked about, that the tonsils, they all have different functions that let us taste different things. Now let's talk about the thing that helps the sense of taste actually let us taste. Taste buds they consist of epithelial cells and nerve cells. The taste is sensed, the material that comes into contact with the taste spore. The taste spore, what it does is it's an opening that connects with taste cells, and it allows the sense of taste to make contact with the brain. The sensory nerve fibers are something that helps the taste cells do that do that function, to send the message to the brain saying like, this is vanilla ice cream and so forth. This is a diagram of the taste bud and of the taste spore, which is all color coded as well. As you can see here, why do we humans have this sense of taste? It's because of our way of humans, that it's our gatekeeping sensory mechanism that is designed to taste food and other substances before they enter the body, to make sure if it's good for your body or if it's spoiled, that it reacts to that. the things that are potentially useful to the body tend to taste good, and things that potentially harm us, for example, we throw up. We all have had that experience of bad taste, but we have 5 different tastes in the sense of taste, which is bitter, sweet, sour, salty, and I'm assuming that's how you say it. We have this because in the evolution of humans, the early people have the same reason why modern people have the sense of taste. To see if the food is spoiled, so our body can react to that, or if not, we can produce it and make energy and all that good stuff. Different is that we have a better taste of a better sense of taste that early humans didn't have, because now we have genetically made food or like processed food that triggers those taste buds and make them react, and we know like that this certain flavor is better than this flavor. This is evolving in humans, this sense, because like I said, the food that is now in our world has become more genetically modified to bring out those taste buds and produce to let the taste or give out to the brain and tell it, hey, this is this flavor and things of that sort. Why do humans have this taste? Like I said, it's like a gatekeeper that lets us know this food is good for us and this food is bad for us, and if we need to regurgitate that, we will. And the three disorders of the sense of taste are dysthymia, which is the distortion of the sense of taste, and is also associated with ageusia, which is another disorder, which is the complete lack of taste, and hypogenia, which is the decrease in taste sensitivity. Those three are disorders of taste that take away, that reduce the ability of tasting those five tastes: sweet, sour, bitter, or salty. And this is a really important sense to have because we use it every day. Not saying that we don't use the other senses every day, but I picked this one because it was my favorite, because I love eating and I love tasting different things, and that flavor is just, if we had no flavor, then food would be dull and life wouldn't be as enjoyable. But thank you.